Today class is Python comments. So first point, comments can be used to explain Python code. Second point, comments can be used to make the code readable. Next third point, comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. So these are 3 points. So next, creating comment. Creating a comment. Python comments denoted with the hash symbol. Example I will show you. Hash. This is comment. And next write code. Print of open strings hello world. Bracket close. This is the end of the session. I will show you example. This is a comment. Print of hello world. In this example, only print hello world statement. This is a comment. Comment not with the hash symbol. Run Python file. Output will come hello. This is the old application. New one will come in. Wait for hello world. The belongs to this file.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.